Hi, this is Kevin with Naples Lawn Service, and today we're going to show you about our CAT battery jump starter. Okay, so here's our CAT battery jump starter, not to be confused with the CAT battery charger. That's a separate video. You can go check out the video on the battery charger, but this is CAT battery jump starter. You keep this in your vehicle, and when your battery goes dead and you're out shopping or whatever, you can jump start your own battery. You don't have to ask anybody's help or anything. It's very easy. But these run about $100. This will not only jump start your car, but we keep these right in the back of the pickup truck inside of a enclosed case. But not only jump start your car, but it also has a 110 volt outlet, which is great for camping, or also great if you're hurricane surviving and you want to have some quick 110 to run something easy like a light or a radio. It's not going to run a refrigerator or anything like that. But it has the 110 outlet. It has USB ports. We use this when we go camping for charging our cell phones, and it works great. It has a little flashlight here on it, and here's your buttons up here. Here's your USB. Okay, you see all those turn blue now. Okay, here's your LED light. Here's flashlight. Okay, it also has an air compressor. Okay, and if you want to inflate something or whatever, you just adjust your PSI up or down, and you can. Oh, there it goes, and there you go. And it comes with all of the connections for that air compressor. See in the back here, you have a hose. This is for your air compressor, and it has fittings and stuff for it, and then that just keeps in there. So you could give you a little bit of air in a tire on the side of the road. I don't know how much you'll get, depends on how big the tire is, but it has air compressor if you get it flat, and it's really good. And the way you use this is you hook up these heavy duty clamps right here. You got your black and red. Okay, you hook those up, and then you turn this knob. Okay, if you don't turn that knob, it's not going to do nothing. Okay, so you can't just hook them up. Like, you got to turn the knob, and then when you do, you should have, this has a battery in it. This will augment your other battery, and it's going to help you start up. Okay, now, not to get this confused with this one. Okay, CAT also sells this one. This is not very good in my opinion. The cables are dinky, the battery capacity is dinky. It charges on USB, which I don't like, so not to get confused with that. You can see the cables, okay? These are little dinky cables, maybe for a little tiny car or something. This is more of a heavy duty, we're gonna get you jump started right now type of a thing. So when you buy one of these, look at the cables. You want something heavy duty that's like number 8 or 6 copper. You don't want these little dinky things. And look how short these are. My goodness, that's only like a foot long. And then these are like two or 3 foot long. So don't get it confused with this one. I don't recommend this one, but I absolutely love this one. And so I'll show you how that hooks up. Okay, I went ahead and hooked it up. You just put your black on your black and your red on your red. That's all you got to do. And it's telling you this one's got 12.2 volts right now, 12.3. So it does check the voltage on your battery as well. And of course, if I started up that truck right now, it would read in the 13 range, because that means it would be charging. But all you do is do it like that. You turn this to on and go check your engine, make sure it starts up. And then when you're done, just turn that back to off. All right, and here's your little LED light. Like I said, if you're changing a tire or something, then you might want that. And here's your USB button to start those up. Like I said, during a hurricane or camping, you can charge your cell phones really good. And like I said, you can run something small 110. And I'm going to show you one more thing here. Now you can see if I hit this button right here, it's going to say AC. That means alternating current. That means power for your 110, and that's how you start that up. Now when you're done using this, you are going to need to charge it back up in the regular household outlet. I'm going to show you that. All right, and it comes with this 110 volt power cord, and you're just going to plug that in right here and plug the other end into your household outlet, and that's how you're going to charge it. It's going to give you a reading right here where it's at, and it shows you it's charging with a bar graph. And so that's what you got to do. It may take a couple hours to charge it up depending on how hard that you used it. And also these black and reds, they just hook in right back here, so they just undo the clamp, stick it in there like that, and that's how you're going to store those. Like I said, your air compressor and your air compressor fittings go there. Also can be used on footballs, soccer balls, something like that if you want to take it to a sporting event, or maybe to the beach to inflate your air rafts. So there's a lot of stuff you can do with it, from summertime fun to breakdowns on the side of the road to jump starting your car, flashlights, USBs for camping or hurricane survival. So keep this in the back of your car or in the back of your truck, and then when you go camping, it's there. When you got a hurricane, it's there. Whatever. $100, it's a really good investment, and you don't need to depend on somebody else to bail you out. And that's what I like, being self-sufficient. And I did a separate video on this cat battery charger. This is a jump starter, keep in your car. This one you keep at the house, and that's how you're going to charge your battery at the house. This is not a battery charger, it's just a jump starter. This is a battery charger, which you're going to plug this in and charge your battery at your house. Or if for some reason this jump starter was dead, you hadn't charged it in a long time, and you're getting ready to go to work, you could just plug in this battery jump starter. It's got a 200 amp engine start, and this will get your car going. So this one's for the house, and this one is for the back of the car or the back of the truck. So what this does is it replaces jumper cables. It's not a bad idea to have jumper cables, because you can still get your battery jumped. You just have to have somebody come jump you with their vehicle. So this replaces these. And when you do get jumper cables, you want to make sure they're heavy duty, okay? You can get jumper cables for $25, $15, or $45 or $50. I would get the $45 or $50 ones, because they have heavier duty cables. Not all jumper cables are created equal. So you look at the size of these, okay? The size of these versus the size of these. You can get a lot more amperage down there and start a vehicle a lot quicker and a lot easier you can with these bigger ones than with these chintzy ones. So I would not buy the chintzy jumper cables. If you're going to buy them, I would buy them thick, number 8 or number 4 or number 6 copper, something like that. There you have it. There's your cat battery jump starter. We're going to be doing a lot of reviews on these type of items. So if you want to subscribe, that's fine. That'd be great. And if you like it, please hit the like button. This is Kevin with Naples Lawn Service.